So I'm sorry to say, and I've got a bit of another confession to make. I did buy another machine about 2 years ago, and there was a two-wheel tractor going to Kilworth Machinery locally. So stay tuned for the potential of a mechanical resurrection of our little two-wheel tractor. And my goal, this is that two-wheel tractor project, and I don't really know what I'm doing, but I want to check to see if I've got a spark. Now the only thing that's confusing me is this wire here. That's the stop wire. Is it now, while it's disconnected, is that off? Or while it's disconnected, is that permanently on? If you're watching for a spark, I hate doing this. It was fear getting sparked. Oh! Ah yes, we have sparks. Can you see that? Oh hey, under that. There's a breather apparently missing off this. It's meant to be a breather pipe between the two. Well, that's long since gone, but I think I can get a new one. So the next super primitive method of trying to get this to run is, I don't think the carburetor is very clean at all. In fact, I think the carburetor probably really wants taking off and stripping and cleaning. But I've got some fresh petrol. I'm just going to dribble some bits down the carb. Sometimes you can get it to spark and chuff. And if I can do that, then I know it's worth considering the engine and not just abandoning it for scrap. Bear with me a minute. Yeah, that's interesting. And made me jump under that. Sparks anyway. Yeah, I've gone deaf. Right, now I know that works. We can take the fuel tank off, so I know that that's clean. And then when that's clean, if it doesn't run then, I'll strip and clean the carburetor. So in there, you can see bits of all sorts. Bosh the hose pipe in there. So I did notice when I was starting it up that this pull cord here isn't very long, and I think it's snapped. Fairly simple procedure. I've got my old rope and the new one, so the new one is about just over a foot longer, because the old one it used to stop short, and I'm used to almost pulling full length, so I definitely needed an extra bit of throw. So we can discard that one, that's no good. Got our fresh bit of rope. Now you've got the hole where it goes into, that goes in there, and then you've got that hole just there, look. It's a bit tricky. Sorted. And we want a knot on there. Just going to do a little double overhand like that. This end, same again. Do a little double overhand if it'll go in. Perfect, look at that. And then you might find it's a little bit loose at the end, so what you have to do then is pop that up, and then like that. Perfect. Tossed it. Just sheared off. Because we're going to have to drill that out. So last night we had an incident where that bolt snapped off. I had to drill it out. Of course I had to drill it out oversize, and the only way I could get this thing to go back on and bolt up securely was to take off this complete outer cowling, which is about 5 bolts all the way around. Pop that off, put a bolt through on the inside, crank that up nice and tight, and then I put 2 new bolts in there and in there. So the next job for me, now that's fixed, is having a quick look at the carburetor. Now apparently this bowl comes off, so it's just a case of taking the bowl off, taking out the jets, cleaning them out, and hopefully that is all you need to do for the carburetor. So we'll see.